Hello guys, Neja here. So in today's video I'm gonna be requeening my original colony. So with this family I had a problem because they swarmed out, and when the queen went on a mating flight she didn't come back into the hive. So I had to buy a new queen, and I'm gonna be requeening this family today. So I suggest that we get started and I will show you everything along the way. So I have my nest in the bottom half of the hive, so I'm not gonna look today into the upper half. I'm just gonna open the bottom half, and firstly I have to check if they have a queen. Just checking now on the frames here in the center if they have any brood, because by brood I will see if the queen is present. On my last check there was no brood and there were very few bees in the hive, because this hive used to be a strong one. So this one will go back. I will put it later into its original place. But let's see on the others. So this one is empty. Next one we'll see. Okay, so let's see this frame. Sorry guys. This frame has nectar and pollen. This frame has nectar and pollen, you can see here. Okay, so it will go back. And let's see this one. Okay, same thing here. And this is basically the middle frame, so I will check just two more. Yes, same here. And let's see the next one. Yes, same here. I will show you, but it's basically just nectar and pollen inside, you can see. Yes, so I will put every frame back and then I will add them a new queen. So now I put back every frame, and for the queen I have her here in this little queen box. You see this one with the blue tag on her. Okay, so this is the queen box, and then we have some feet over here and the other bees that are with the queen. And I bought this queen from a Slovenian breeder, and it says on the back, authentic Carniolan bred in Slovenia queen. So for this queen, to add her to the family, I have to remove this piece of plastic, this one. So I will do that just by like this, breaking off. Okay, and now I will take my toothpick and I will put two holes in this sugar here, so just like this. And I have to be careful to not stick this toothpick in the queen. So one hole here and the other hole on the other side. Sorry for blurry video, but like here. And then I will use this. Now we have two holes. See, I will use this toothpick and I will put it through this loop here. Okay, and now I will put it in the middle of two frames, so just like this, and hang it on the top. Okay, so I will just move these two frames and I will put this toothpick on the up one frame first, hold this down and put the second frame next to it, and then I will just slide it in the middle, hopefully. It's like this. It's a little bit tricky. Okay, so I'll press these two frames together now, like this, and put every other frame back into their place. And for the purpose of the feeding, I will take these upper frames out because we don't have a strong flow here and we have to feed the bees. So because I'm using the method of feeding bucket here, and I use a bucket and put it inside the hive, I will just take out 4 frames so that I have enough space for my bucket. Okay, just like this, and this will be enough, and then I'm gonna close everything up.